Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then create the project skeleton. Install Azure CLI, VS Code, and the functions extension. Sign in with Az login and select your subscription. Choose a runtime and hosting plan, Node, Python, or C# and consumption versus app service, because cost and scaling differ. Once done, open VS Code, initialize a new function app with the command palette, and create your first HTTP-triggered function, so you can test locally immediately. You now implement the function logic and validate behavior locally. Start the runtime with funcstart, attach the debugger in VS Code, and step through requests to inspect variables. Add input/output bindings in function, JSON or via decorators to connect to queues, blobs, or Cosmos DB and store secrets in local. Settings: JSON rather than hardcoding. Make sure to run unit tests and simulate triggers so performance and error paths are covered before deployment. Because early fixes save time, you deploy the function app and then verify that it behaves under real conditions. Use as function app deploy or the VS Code publish workflow. Enable application insights to capture traces and exceptions. Once deployed, test endpoints, verify authentication and cores, and perform a light load test to confirm scaling. If something fails, check the function logs and app settings for misconfigured connection strings or missing environment variables. Often the issue is a typo or a missing permission, so correct that and redeploy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.